Just wanted to do a quick video because we're looking at June weddings and a lot of them are staying on schedule. So real quick, just wanted to talk about how to do Facebook Live at your wedding and how I can help you. Now, does it feel like you're suddenly playing the hokey pokey when it comes to whether or not you should keep your wedding the same or change the date or not? Well, trust me, you're not alone. Even though crowd size restrictions have been relaxed and venues here in Nebraska are now allowed to hold up to 50% capacity in June, some people are still feeling a little bit cautious about attending large gatherings. So maybe some of your guests also are out of state guests, which might not be willing to travel now due to obvious reasons. So I came up with a solution that might allow you to help keep your guests involved if you decide to go with your original date. And whether or not they're able to attend, they can still be a part of some of the festivities, such as the ceremony, the toasts, or even the first dance. And how we do that is by broadcasting live on Zoom or Facebook. Now, you might be thinking, why do I need a DJ to help us with a Facebook Live? We can just have someone in the crowd do it from their phone. And that's true. But it's definitely an option. And truthfully, the main reason why you don't do that is because our smartphones have crappy microphones in them. And got somebody on. Hey, what's up? And by using me to do it instead of your Aunt Susie, you're ensuring that your guest will be there watching from their phones, tablets, and computers. They'll be able to hear everything perfectly, just like everyone that's there in person, because the sound will be fed through my DJ command center. Then all I need to make it possible is a strong enough Wi-Fi signal at the church or reception hall to be able to go live. My favorite part is that I'll be able to put it on both the bride and groom's Facebook profiles so that both of your friends will be able to watch on Facebook. Now, it is worth mentioning that we have to use Zoom, or we might have to use Zoom for the ceremony and first dance simply because of the copyright limitations on Facebook. In other words, if Facebook knows you're playing a song that belongs to someone else, it's going to mute the profile or it's going to mute the video, and nobody will be able to hear what's going on. But there are ways around it, and I have been testing it. For example, I could mute the music on Facebook Live so that the live stream is not at risk of being booted or muted. Either way, I've been testing this out for many, many weeks now. I've got a really good grasp on what we'll be able to do when it comes to making this a virtual wedding. The best part is that if you hire me to be your wedding DJ, then I will include this virtual wedding package for free. So if you think this is something that you'd like to have included with your wedding, just go to crowndjs.com and check my availability, or you can just message me directly on Facebook, whatever's most convenient for you. I still have plenty of openings for June and July. And real quick, I'll just bring up my availability, take down the logo, and you'll see that we got some. This Saturday is one that's filled, but a lot of still openings that we can still do a great wedding for you. Just get in touch with me, because if I have your date available, then I'd love to help you broadcast it on each of your Facebook profiles so that any of your guests who are unable to attend can still feel included on your big day. My name's Derek Hayden. I'm with Crown DJs. Feel free to drop any questions you might have right here in the chat, and I'll respond immediately. I appreciate you for taking the time to watch this, and I wish you a happy and healthy summer. Peace.